Hello YouTube, I am Arka and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today this video is going to be a short one on unboxing of the new smart band from Xiaomi. So this is none other than this Redmi Smart Band 5 or Xiaomi Smart Band 5. I have purchased it on 8th of October 2020 and this is the first day when it was on sale via Amazon, and I'm lucky that I have got the hands when it is available for the flash sale for the first time, and the price was 2498. So now without wasting any more time, let's go straight and unbox particularly this Xiaomi Smart Band 5. Here is the box. You can see I have ordered this from Amazon, and here it is written like MI Smart Band 5, and its color touchscreen is AMOLED, real-time heart rate monitor, waterproof up to 50 meter, magnetic charging. So this was missing in the previous bands, but from MI Smart Band 5 this magnetic charging is included, and this is very good. And month and year of manufacturing July 2020, month and year of import July 2020. Here you can see product name fitness band, and here is the model number, quantity, and you will get fitness tracker, wristband, charging cable, user manual, and total maximum retail price is rupees 2999, but I have purchased it for 2499 from Amazon, and its color is black. So now I will remove what is inside the box. You can see the box is empty right now. Inside this box we are getting total 3 items. Number 1, this is I think charging cable. Yes, this tip is magnetic, 2 pin here for easy connectivity. In this pouch here it is the MI Smart Band 5. I think it is out of charge. The quality of this band is better than the MI Smart Band 4. Display looks good. Here it is the user manual. Now I will show you how to charge this device. Now I will show you how to connect this cable, magnetic cable. So first we will connect it with power source, and then just put it like this, and see the MI Smart Band 5 starts charging. So it is that easy. And let me tell you one more thing, that it is not too easy to detach. So it needs good amount of pulling pressure to detach it. That's really good. That's fantastic. It's charging nice. The Smart Band 4 did not come with this facility, so, and the charging case was so much fragile and it was of very poor quality. And to charge your previous MI Smart Band 4 you need to remove this main unit from this wristband, and then you had to put it in the charging case. But here you don't even need to remove this main unit from this wristband, and you can charge it at the same time. That's really fantastic. That's all in this video. If you have not subscribed yet to my channel, do it right now. If you like the video, then show it in form of thumbs up. Share the video as many times as possible, and most importantly, click on the notification icon and tap all option to be notified regarding my latest uploads. Thank you for watching till the end.